Hey everybody, Michael Hellickson here with Club Wealth Coaching and Consulting. I'm one of the coaches at Club Wealth, and I'm here to talk to you today about open houses, and in particular, massive open houses. You know, it's interesting. People tell me all the time, oh, Michael, open houses don't work, and that's a waste of time, and you only get 3 or 4 people to come out. And it's like, come on, are you kidding me? Open houses are a fantastic source of business when done properly. I would agree with you. Just going and sitting in the house for 3 hours to have 1 or 2 or 3 couples walk through, that doesn't sound like a real fun day to me. That doesn't sound like a real effective day to me. But I will tell you this, I've had clients that literally would only get 3 to 5 people coming through their open houses, and they literally did over $600,000 a year in gross commission income, almost entirely from open houses. But how much more effective would it be if instead of 3 to 5 people coming through your open house, you literally had 50 to 150 couples coming through your open houses? That's the goal. That's where you need to get. Another thing I want you to keep in mind is, and by the way, write this down, 40% of everyone that comes through your open houses has a home to sell. Now think about that for a minute. 40% of all the people that come through your open house have a home that they need to sell. That is huge, you guys. That's a great opportunity to get more listings in a low-cost way. Now, imagine again that I can up those numbers to 50 to 75 people to every open house. So how am I going to do that? Well, number one, I'm going to recommend that you go to our website. Go to clubwealth.com/open house. clubwealth.com/open house. Now, when you go there, there's a video, and like an hour-long video of me going through every single thing you need to do at an open house to get to that 50 to 75 people at your open house. Also, there's a checklist on that website that I want you to follow. You've got to follow the checklist. Now, you may not do everything on the checklist, but I'll tell you, the more you follow on the checklist, the more people you get out there. As an example, we had someone in Denver, Colorado just recently, literally went out, had never done an open house before, watched the video, followed the checklist. At their first open house, they got 86 people out to the open house. Out of those 86 people, 5 of them ended up either buying or selling through that agent. Actually, 3 of them ended up buying and 2 of them ended up selling through that agent as a direct result of meeting them at that open house. You guys, open houses works, but you have to work the open house. You have to treat it like you mean for it to be very successful. I'll give you a couple examples of this. Number one, you got to put out more signs. A lot of people are putting out, 2, 3, 4, 10 signs. Listen, put out 50 signs. They don't have to be super nice signs. Get the cheapo signs at Home Depot. It doesn't matter what you use for signs. What matters is they're out there. The next thing is, treat this like a job, right? Instead of doing an open house once or twice or 3 times a month, do a minimum of 4 to 6 open houses a month. In fact, if you really want to go crazy with this, instead of going to your office and working, why not hold an open house and treat that like your office? Make that open house your office and spend, 4 hours sitting at that open house making your phone calls or doing it. Or at least there you have a chance of somebody walking in that might want to buy or sell a home. Go check out the video, clubwealth.com/open house. I'll tell you lots more there. And you can download the free checklist on exactly how to do this. So you too will get 50 to 75 and maybe as many as 150 people out to your future open houses. Again, my name is Michael Hellickson. I'm with Club Wealth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care.